Hi everyone, I'm Hazel, a former professional Disney on Ice skater turned luxury travel lover. And trust me when I say I love to travel. I've been to 52 countries so far and still counting. Today I'm sharing my top 10 Amazon travel essentials that I never leave home without. These are game changers. They keep me comfortable and organized during my trips. And if you're a woman over 45 like me, these items make your journey feel as good as the destination. So let's jump to it.
First up, we have a cable organizer. This zippered electronic cable organizer keeps all my cords, earbuds, and chargers in one tidy place. No more rummaging or dealing with tangled cables at the bottom of my bag. It's slim, compact, and makes staying charged on the go so much easier. Let's be honest, hotel rooms rarely have enough outlets. So, this compact surge protector gives me USB ports and extra plugs. I can charge my phone, my camera, my watch all at the same time. It's a non negotiable in my suitcase. Introducing Shox open ear headphones. I'm obsessed with these. They rest just outside your ear using bone conduction technology, so you can still hear the world around you. That's perfect for airports or walking tours. They're comfortable, lightweight, and ideal for staying safe when you need to be aware while you're traveling. One of the favorite things I like to bring with me when I travel is a backseat clutch or small bag. So, this is my little secret weapon. I pre-pack it with everything I need at my seat during the flight. For example, I put my lip balm in there, charger, snacks, whatever it is I think I need that is not going to go in the overhead compartment. Right before I board the plane, I slip this little baby out of my carry-on suitcase and I slip it into the seat back pocket when I'm seated. I love how this Vera Bradley toiletry bag hangs on a hook or a towel rack. This keeps my hotel counters clutter-free, and it fits all my must-haves from skincare to toothpaste to my little travel-sized hairbrush. It's awesome. Plus, the pattern on it makes it super easy to spot inside my suitcase. Or when I do a quick check before checking out of the hotel room, I can definitely see it still hanging up, and that needs to come with me. Next, this is my travel jewelry organizer. It's elegant and keeps all my jewelry neat and tangle-free while I'm on the go. It has separate compartments for rings, bangles, necklaces, and earrings, and it snaps flat so it doesn't take up too much space in my suitcase. Actually, I don't put it in my suitcase. Pro travel tip: do not put anything valuable in checked luggage. Always keep it on your person, or better yet, keep it with you at your seat. It's perfect for staying organized, and I'm going to admit it, I like to bring some jewelry so I can feel a little glamorous on the go wherever I'm headed. This 15-liter ultralight day pack is amazing. It is super foldable, but roomy and durable, and did I mention feather light? It packs down so small that I sometimes lose it in my suitcase, but honestly, it carries everything that I need for a day trip. Oh, and my favorite feature, the chest strap keeps it from sliding off my shoulders. This is a huge win in my books. It also has a little fold-out compartment for a water bottle and a little pocket at the top that you could put sunglasses, keys, or some money in. It's just an awesome backpack. So if you're looking for something to bring with you that doesn't take up a lot of room, this is what you need. As my Nana always said, bring a silk scarf wherever you go and you'll never be cold. I love this one because it's pure silk and it packs down to nothing. Plus, it adds an instant pop of style to any outfit that I have. Trust me, it's a great accessory to bring on any trip. Next item on my top 10 list is a crossbody bag. I love this one. It's stylish and secure. Some of them also have RFID blocking pockets, lockable zippers, and slash-resistant straps, so you can explore confidently. Get one that has lots of compartments without being bulky. The one that I have here is leather, and it's just what I needed for cities and sightseeing. Now, because my crossbody bag was not theft-proof, I instead bought a wristlet that was. Comes equipped with the RFID blocking so that I can feel safe and secure when I'm out on the streets on vacation. Okay, I honestly think this might be the perfect travel backpack. I'm going to do my very best to describe all its features, but it has a lot. First off, it has an exterior charging port, so you don't have to rummage through the inside to find your extra charging. It has a little hidden pocket here so you can store a water bottle if you choose to. It's got a laptop sleeve, organizations for cards, and when you unzip it, it has a lay flat feature, making going through security a total breeze, not to mention when you unpack at your destination. I love the little individual zippered compartments. Both sides open up so you can put clothes on either side, or you know what? If you want to travel light, you just compress one side and expand the other, and you have to use it at 50% capacity. It has the little sleeve that can go over the handle of your rolling bag so you don't have to carry it, and buckles to cinch it down so you can compress it as tight and as small as you want it to be. It truly is a remarkable backpack. I think you should give it a try. Okay, I said there's only 10 items on this top 10 list, but I have a little secret. I always travel with Clorox disinfecting wipes. I like these little handy single serving sizes that I can just stuff in my carry on and wipe down what I need to when I get on the plane. Safety first, people. All right, that's all for now.
So there you have it, my top 10 Amazon travel essentials. In the description below, you'll find links to all these products on Amazon. If you have a favorite travel essential, please let me know in the comments below. I love discovering new travel favorites. If you're a woman over 45 like me, hit the subscribe button below. I'm going to share more tips, luxury trips, packing hacks, and so much more. We're going to keep the midlife magic alive on our travel destination. Let's make travel feel amazing again, one trip at a time. Thanks for watching.